Ever wondered how to make your online privacy even stronger? Meet RAM-only servers, your new best friend in keeping your data safe. I'm Mike from IPVanish, and today we are diving into a feature that makes your VPN experience even more secure. RAM-only servers. Don't worry, I will break it down quickly and show you just how easy it is to start using them. So what are RAM-only servers? Essentially, these are servers that use RAM instead of traditional storage to handle your connection. The big advantage here is that when a RAM-only server is powered off, all data disappears. That means there's no risk of anyone retrieving your information, even if they got their hands on the server. It's like a reset button for your data every time the server shuts down. Why does it matter? With RAM-only servers, your privacy gets an extra layer of protection. And these servers are way more reliable than their traditional counterparts. Plus, everything gets set up and upgraded faster, so you will have a smoother experience. Now, let's see how you can connect to these RAM-only servers. It's super simple. Just open your IPVanish app on your iOS or macOS and head to the Location tab. We click on Cities. Here we go to All Servers. There you will see the RAM-only server option. Click on it, choose your preferred server, and bam, you are securely connected to a RAM-only server. And that's it. No complicated setup, no extra cost. You can start using RAM-only servers today for a faster, safer, and more private online experience. Want to learn more about how IPVanish keeps you secure? Hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our other features to make sure your VPN experience is even better. Have a nice day. See ya.